Hi everyone, I'm Amy, and today I'm making turkey cranberry pinwheels. These are super easy to make. The pinwheels are easy to serve portions that are great for holiday gatherings or to have a snack on the go. So let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 1/3 cup of whole berry cranberry sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mix this together. Now take a 10-inch flour tortilla and spread on a layer of cream cheese mixture. Now place 2 lettuce leaves down the center of the tortilla. Next, place 2 thin slices of deli turkey on top of the lettuce. Then place 2 thin slices of provolone cheese on top of the turkey. Finally, top this with thin slices of tomato. Now starting at one end of the tortilla, tightly roll the tortilla towards the filling until it's completely rolled. Repeat until you have filled and rolled all of your tortillas. I had enough cream cheese mixture to make 4 rolled tortillas, but it depends on how thick of a layer of cream cheese you put on. Then tightly wrap each tortilla in plastic wrap. Now just place these in the refrigerator to chill for a couple of hours. When you're ready to serve, trim off any unfilled ends and then slice the tortilla into equal pinwheels. And here they are. Turkey cranberry pinwheels. And you can change up this recipe by using different deli meats. You could use chicken or ham. You can also change up the cheese and use Swiss or cheddar or whatever you like. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at amylynnskitchen. But it may vary depending how thick of a layer you put on of the stuff, cream cheese. Using different deli meats, you could use turkey. Oh, turkey! Oh, no! You can use turkey. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. And you can change up this recipe by using